Good morning, guys. Let's take a look at the Matterport tour, also known as a 360 tour, on homes.com of the listing down in Myrtle Beach at 299 Catawba River Road. So what you do is you get into homes.com and you're looking at a listing, and then you click on this little thing that says 360 and it brings it up. That's what they call the dollhouse view. You can see the different floors, and then you take your mouse and you move around and you can see the whole house, a little bit different than a video. And then here you can see the ceilings. You can see all this interesting beams. You can see all the rooms. You just move around. There you go. And the other thing about this, let's go right here. Watch this. We'll come over here and we're going to hide the furniture. So then it gives you an idea of what you could do. You could actually take a photo of that right there and then put it into one of your AI programs and do remodeling. If you don't know how to do that and you want me to help you on any of my listings or any listings, just call me and I'll help you with that. Alright, so you have a floor selector. You can go to floor 2. Takes you right up there. You can do the same thing and remove the furniture to see what it looks like. And you can view the floor plan. You can see all the photos of the listing. And this is the Matterport tour on homes.com. Alright, so if you have any questions, please give me a call. It's Rick Knight, Highgarden Real Estate, 843-655-3517. Thank you so much.